It's not a sloppy Joe, but tastes just as good. Welcome to Diner Tribe. Hello, I'm Matt, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, then let me say welcome. Today, we are not making a sloppy Joe. We are making a sloppy meatball sub in a bun. It's easy to make and will blow your taste buds wide open. Grab your apron and let's make some grub. We will start with slicing and dicing a medium onion. One half will be sliced and the other half will be diced. Then we will put that to one side. For the meatballs, I will be using Rabbi's beef steak, which will be chopped roughly to mince through a mincer. Which will then be mixed with 500 grams of 5% or less low-fat beef mince, minus the paper of course, and if you like onions, add some in with it, or you could cheat and buy some meatballs from the supermarket, but for the video I will be making them fresh. Now let's put them to one side for now and get the breadcrumbs ready. Again, you can cheat and buy the breadcrumbs from the supermarket. But for the video, I will be making some quickly with this cheap handheld chopper, which will be in an upcoming gadget review video. Have you paid the electricity bill? Hello? Got it, it's back on. Hi folks, welcome back to part 2. Let's grab the minced beef and add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, the breadcrumbs, a medium egg, and mix all them ingredients together. could I please ask you to take a moment of your time to share and subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy what you see, then please tap the thumbs up. It really does help. Your feedback means the world to me. So please comment below your thoughts, suggestions, or even a simple hello. If you have already done so, then thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now let's continue with the video. Once it's all mixed, let's make the meatballs and place them to one side too. Oh, I better say this disclaimer for that vegan teacher. And remember folks, meatballs are not suitable for vegans or vegetarians. You can't make an Italian style pasta sauce without garlic. So I will be adding 4 cloves of garlic diced. Yep, I'm taking that gamble again on this cheap handheld chopper. Hopefully it'll work. Phew! At least the chopper didn't blow up this time. Well, let's get to the cheese. Cheese makes anything taste great, so let's slice some cheese. I'm using red Leicester, but you can use your favourite. So let's grab a pan with 200 ml of tap water and steam the diced onions, without the breadcrumbs of course. When the onions have started to soften, add 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. I will be cooking it on high heat for a few minutes to cook out the bitterness. Then I'm going to add the passati, garlic, 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar with 1 teaspoon of basil and cooked for a further 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's place it to one side. Now for the sliced onions, let's fry the onions with some oil. A simple, easy job, and fry till they are soft, and again place to one side. Leave the oil in the frying pan and add the meatballs. Lightly fry all sides, then turn the sauce back onto low heat, put them straight into the sauce and continue cooking on simmer. And don't forget to place a lid on top, otherwise the sauce might just explode. Obviously the sauce will continue to cook the meatballs. Simmer for about 20 minutes or till the sauce is thickened and the meatballs are fully cooked. While the sauce simmers, we might as well get the bread buns ready. Bread buns are known as many different things like bread rolls, baps, subs, so please excuse me if I call it different, but I'm going to be calling it bread buns because that's what it's called where I live. So first grab 2 bacon trays, on this case pizza trays, and slice the buns. On the first tray, let's do the top first. Add some sliced onions, a generous amount of sauce, and of course your favourite cheese. When the sauce and the meatballs are ready, take off the heat, grab a bowl and remove the meatballs from the pan with half the sauce and smash them up lightly in the bowl. Now of course we can do the bottom half. Grab the second tray and add the meatballs on the bread, then add another generous amount of sauce with some extra cheese. Place both trays on a medium heat in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes till the cheese has fully melted and the bread buns are lightly toasted. Remove the trays from the oven, put both halves together, serve and enjoy a sloppy meatball sub in a bun. And all I can say now is, till next time, thanks for watching Diner Tribe.